Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PowerPoint tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to recover unsaved PowerPoint file without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and open up the PowerPoint slider. So once you open the PowerPoint slider, just like what you see right here, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to the file right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you go to Info. Then under the info, scroll down right here, continue to scroll down and go ahead and click on manage presentation. Then go ahead and click on cover unsaved presentations. Go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to take you to your local disk right here. And every unsaved file is going to be found right here. However, you can go through your local disk on your Windows PC to get access to some of these files. So for that, go ahead and open up a folder. So I'm going to open up this particular folder. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I navigate to local disk. Under the local disk, next thing we want to do is to make sure we navigate to user right here. Go ahead and open user folder. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to user right here, hit enter. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on app data, hit enter. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on roaming right here, hit enter. Then here, you want to make sure you choose your file that you want to make sure you choose the Office Microsoft right here. So hit enter. And at this point here, you want to make sure that you look for PowerPoint right here, hit enter. Then if you have any unsaved folder, it's going to be found right here. It's that simple. So these are the best way to recover unsaved file in your PowerPoint without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use PowerPoint presentation like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you.